Hey guys, so basically in today's video I am going to be doing the most loved adventure of all, which is Jamaaliday Rescue. But I'm not going to be doing it for long. I'm going to pause in between and I'm only going to do 75 gifts because it is quite long. It could go on for very long. So without further ado, let's get into Jamaaliday Rescue. That rhymes. Okay, so guys, here we are at Jamaaliday Rescue. So first of all, let's read what Data has to say. The other members of the railway delivery service and I were about to deliver presents all over Jamal when they were stolen by the phantoms. We were able to follow the phantoms here, but it looks like they are fitting all the presents inside this giant ice labyrinth. I know the phantoms love to cause chaos and destruction, but this time they have gone too far. They're trying to ruin the Jamaalidays for everyone. We need your help getting the presents back. The more presents you can collect before you reach the center, the more prizes you will earn. It's now up to you to help save the Jamaalidays. I know you can do it. Good luck. But then that's what he would say to anyone, really. So, Data, whose side are you on? I mean, honestly, I don't know if I can fit all these presents into my bag. I mean, now I'm some stuff, but I really don't understand it. I mean, I am gonna pause it in between, but there's just so much presents to get. Collect presents and find the center of the labyrinth. Okay, we've reached a dead end. We really need to fix up our usings because we're not gonna get anywhere anytime soon. I mean, in 1 minute we've got 8 gifts, and if you think about it, that's pretty shocking. So let's go up here. Hopefully, it's not a dead end. You see, okay. I do understand. Okay, we're back where we started. Okay, this is really annoying now because, I actually want to get my gifts. That's why I'm only here to get my gifts. I'm not here for anything else, guys. I mean, oh my god, stop moving! But people really need to do this game more often. You get good. Oh my god, Lex! Oh my god! Oh my god, guys! You see, people really need to watch out for what they're doing on their phones. The internet can be really killing sometimes. You never know what's out there. Okay, shush. They probably can't hear it through the audio.
Exactly.
It will probably sound terrible, so you need to turn that all the way down, or just get some headphones, I don't know. But I really need to find the center of this labyrinth. I mean, I've done this adventure loads of times before. Oh, guys, I found Disco. What kind of a name is that?
Oh, hey, Disco.
I hope the ranger delivery service doesn't get a bad name after this. Well, then you say that every year.
Say that every year.
And it happens every year. Guys, let's actually go through the center because the center's the most reliable.
But it happens every single year. Maybe we should just quit and
I know, we should become Secret Santa. Animal Jam should really do Secret Santa. You're probably hearing it really bad from the audio because the audio on this... Oh my god. That's, you can't hear it through the audio. You don't like the song?
It's just my love.
Why do you watch them? Oh my god.
Because the video is good.
Well, you should really like this song. Okay, guys, let's just keep on walking here. Oh, it looks like there's room for 4 jammers to hop on the icebox, Okay, shush. Guys, we should really just hop on! Hop on, you loser. Come on! Yay! 2 more. I'm just gonna pause it for you guys to not suffer through the What the hell? Impatient person. What the hell? What? Inappropriate Animal Jam. Really? I mean, I know you're really strict on this game, but at least give me a chance. I mean, just give me a chance.
Oh, what a great ending.
Oh my god, this is getting really laggy, guys, and I can't handle it. But we need to get to 75. We need to get to 75 gifts, because if we don't get to 75 gifts, then I will get on a rage. And when I'm on a rage, you all know what that means. I will quit, and I'm joking. But you know what?
You wouldn't dare.
It's good to say that to make people freak out.
Mate, is it okay when like after when you get the 75 you get off it because it's my go?
Okay.
Cheers.
Well, guys,
I just wanted.
we really need to speed up this game. In only 5 minutes, we've got
guys. We've only got 5 minutes.
we've got 54 gifts
We've
in
got
5
54
minutes.
gifts.
Shush! We've got 55 gifts in 5 minutes, and you know, oh my god, don't run away from me. Well, come on, Hot. Well, you just ran away from me, and this is getting so laggy. Like, I don't know if you guys can feel the pain, but if you have a laggy laptop, well, this is a new laptop, but you know, it's good to know the lagginess and the non-lagginess of your laptop, because then you know to get it or not. Oh, guys, you've got 15 more gifts to get. Oh, I've got 2 gifts now. And then I'm probably gonna stop because you know I'm really lazy and I can't be bothered to find the rest. And I can't be bothered to find the rest of the gifts because everyone on Animal Jam.
7 missed calls.
I know, but you see,
Joshua Elliott.
Joshua Whiting Elliott. Jeez.
Joshua
Whiting.
Elephant.
He probably won't.
Elephant. What?
He probably won't. Were we just here? I feel like we were just here. Oh, here we have Pouncer. Wait, are these all of his Santa's like reindeers? Maybe that's like a secret Santa Animal Jam. Anyway, or Easter eggs. You can know what path you've been down before by seeing where you've already collected presents. Wait, why can't you just look on the map? Jeez, Pouncer, know your facts. You know, Pouncer, you're supposed to be smart because you're one of Santa's handy helpers. I know as well. Guys, we've got 2 more presents. Let's just get these guys. I mean, okay. What did we get? Like, what did we actually get? Better be. Okay, we get a small heat lamp. There we go. And we get a frozen phone.
Oh, I got that.
You know, guys. Those were both rubbish gifts. I don't know why anyone would actually sign up for those gifts. But now we're out of the lagginess. Why don't we just why don't we put this here? Oh my god, no, I ruined it. I'm a terrible person. But anyway, I don't know where we're gonna put this giant phantom sculpture because it's really not important, but let's just put it there because, you know, we can watch people celebrate the life of it. But anyway, guys, I think that's pretty much going to wrap it up for this video. And I don't really know what to say anymore, guys. I think this is going to be the end. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace!